Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an RSS extension to Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This is where you can manage all your Chrome extensions, add new ones, or remove existing ones. When you hover over it, a side menu will appear with additional options related to extensions. In this side menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to the official Chrome Web Store, which is Google's marketplace for browser extensions, themes, and apps. The Chrome Web Store is the safest and most reliable place to find extensions that enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar and type in RSS. This will help you find all the available RSS reader extensions that can help you stay updated with your favorite websites and blogs. After typing RSS, press Enter or click the search icon. You'll now see a list of RSS-related extensions. Browse through the results and click on the RSS extension that best fits your needs. Each extension will have its own features and user ratings, so take a moment to review them if you'd like. When you've found the RSS extension you want to install, click the Add to Chrome button. This button is typically displayed prominently on the extensions page. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension to your browser. In the pop-up window, click Add Extension to confirm your choice. Chrome will now download and install the RSS extension automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't have to wait long before you can start using your new extension. After the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your browser window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this extension icon to view all your installed extensions. In the drop-down menu that appears, you should now see your newly installed RSS extension listed there. You can click on it to start using it right away, or you can pin it to your toolbar for easier access by clicking the pin icon next to it. And that's it! You've successfully added an RSS extension to your Google Chrome browser, allowing you to easily follow and read updates from your favorite websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.